engine humming, city lights fade.
Well, what's up, my friends? Today is a special day. I'm taking you to a place unlike any other, hidden right here in Serbia, a place where legends come alive, a place surrounded by mystery, myths, and stories that have been passed down for generations. Welcome to Devil's Town. Let's fire up the engines and find out why this place has fascinated people for centuries. We decided to take the longer route to Devil's Town, and trust me, it was worth every extra mile. The road itself was part of the adventure. Riding through untouched nature and winding our way across the national park was pure joy. Every turn brought a new view, fresh mountain air, and another reminder of why we ride in the first place. Sometimes it's not about getting to the destination, it's about enjoying every mile along the way. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. In this series, we'll take you across Serbia, exploring its breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, rich history, and the roads that make every ride unforgettable. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts that come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving.
Take command. Still driving on into the night. Road guardian night, holding the light. No stopping now, no stopping now. This is my life. Engine humming, city lights fade away.
And finally, we're here. Devil's Town, a place wrapped in mystery where nature and legend come together in the most incredible way. According to one of Serbia's most famous legends, a group of wedding guests was making their way to a ceremony. But there was a dark secret. The bride and groom were actually brother and sister, tricked into marrying each other by the work of evil forces. Just as the wedding procession reached this very spot, heaven intervened. To stop the forbidden marriage, every single guest was turned to stone. The strange rock towers you see today are said to be those very wedding guests, frozen in time for eternity. Whether you believe the legend or not, standing here among these towering stone pillars, it's easy to see why people have been telling this story for centuries. There are more than 200 of these incredible earth pyramids, some rising over 15 meters, shaped by thousands of years of erosion. It's one of the rarest natural wonders in Europe, and a place where science explains the landscape while folklore keeps the magic alive. So, what do you think? Is this simply nature at work, or could there be a little truth hidden inside the legend?
Storms may come, but I won't bend. I keep driving till the very end. No matter how heavy this road gets, I'm still moving, no regrets. This is my life, this is who I am. Road guardian, I make my own plan forward always. Never gonna stop, no stopping now. I'll give it my all. This is my life. command. Still driving on into the night. Road body and night, holding the light. No stopping now, no stopping now. This is my life. This is my vow.
Now, of course, that's just the legend, but do you want to know the real story? Yeah, I thought so. Let's head down to the very place where it all began. This is where science takes over, and the truth is, every bit as fascinating as the myth. Like, oh, one more thing? This calls for a different soundtrack. Let's switch the music. Something a little proper. Now, we're ready. Meanwhile, as I said, while the wedding celebration was in full swing in a nearby village, an unknown hero, a biker from the Road Guardian crew, was quietly making his way through the forest. Among the wedding guests was a young bride named Mila. Then she saw him, a biker. The very first biker she had ever laid eyes on. She had heard stories about them before, but seeing one with her own eyes. Yep, it was love at first sight. Even though she was about to get married, she simply couldn't resist. She begged him to join the wedding party, just for a little while, and him, well, somehow, he said yes. And so she fell so deeply in love with the biker that she just had to kiss him. It happened completely out of the blue. While he wasn't even looking, she leaned in and kissed him on the neck. But there was one thing she didn't know. When she was just a little girl, an old curse had been placed upon her. The curse was simple. The day you kiss a biker, everyone around you will turn to stone. And in that very moment, it happened. And every single wedding guest was turned to stone. There was only one survivor, the best man. Why? Because he was running late. Because he got held up by a bunch of other bikers along the way. And that's the end of this legend. Until then, ride safe, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next adventure.